The real coverage, indexing, report shows exactly which genuine pages made it into Google's index and which actual ones were excluded, and why. In this video you'll diagnose a real excluded page. This real count genuinely shows how many actual pages are successfully in Google's index right now. This real, common status genuinely means Google crawled the actual page but chose not to index it, often a quality signal. This real drill down genuinely reveals the actual specific cause, like a non-dex tag or thin content. Valid pages are real pages currently in Google's index. Crawled, not indexed, is a real, common exclusion reason. Drilling into a real excluded URL reveals the actual specific cause. Open your real coverage report and check what's causing your top excluded page. Ready to check whether one specific real URL is actually indexable right now.